When people talk about humanoid robots, Taiwan usually isn't the first country that pops into anyone's mind. Most people immediately think of the United States with companies like Figure AI and Boston Dynamics, or China, where Unitree robots seem to be doing backflips, kung fu, and pretty much everything except filing taxes. To be fair, that's understandable, because for years, Taiwan has mostly stayed behind the scenes, silently building the advanced chips that power much of modern technology. Your smartphone, probably connected to Taiwan. The AI boom, definitely connected to Taiwan. But now Taiwan seems to be saying, we've spent decades building the brains behind the AI revolution. Maybe it's time to build the robots too. Personally, that got my attention. Recently, Taiwanese company TM Technology revealed its first humanoid robot capable of interacting with the physical world. At first I thought, okay, cool, another robot. But can it work an 8-hour shift without crashing or falling over? That's what I want to see. But clearly, Taiwan is officially entering one of the most competitive technology races on Earth. And considering Taiwan's track record in tech, I don't think the rest of the robotics industry can afford to ignore this. So what exactly has Taiwan built? How advanced is it? And can it realistically compete with companies like Figure AI and Unitree? Let's talk about it. TM Technology. TM Technology isn't exactly a household name. Unless you work in industrial automation, chances are you've probably never heard of the company before. Historically, TM Technology focused on integrated circuit design, in simple words, chips. But over the years, with support from its parent company, Yingling Group, the company started expanding into other areas, including construction, green energy, and smart manufacturing. And now it's taking perhaps its biggest leap yet, humanoid robotics. According to the company, this new robot represents its first major step into what researchers call embodied intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Embodied intelligence sounds like one of those phrases tech companies invent to impress investors. But the idea itself is actually fascinating. Embodied AI takes that intelligence and puts it inside a physical body. The goal is simple, but incredibly difficult. Build machines that can see, understand, move, and interact with the real world just like humans do. And if you think about it, humans don't learn by simply reading information. We learn by doing things, by touching objects, by making mistakes, by accidentally dropping our phones on our faces while scrolling at 2 a.m. Robotics companies are now trying to give machines those same learning abilities. And that's exactly what TM Technology is attempting to do. I know robots from other companies are already capable of doing these tasks, but what makes this significant is that it's Taiwan's first attempt at building such a humanoid robot.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever's on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
TM Technology's robot design. One of the coolest things about TM Technology's robot is how it's designed. Instead of building another rigid industrial machine, the company modeled the system after the human nervous system. Yes, seriously. According to TM Technology, the robot contains 3 major components. First, there's what the company calls the robot's brain. This AI-powered brain handles semantic understanding, reasoning, planning, and decision-making. In other words, it helps the robot answer questions like, what am I looking at? What task am I supposed to perform? And what should I do next? Then comes the robot's cerebellum. If you remember high school biology, the cerebellum helps humans maintain balance and coordinate movement. The robot uses a similar concept. This system manages motion control, coordination, and balance, which is a much bigger challenge than it sounds. Humans walk without thinking. Robots, meanwhile, often need enormous amounts of computing power simply to avoid falling over. And finally, there's perception. The robot uses a combination of 3D vision systems, LiDAR technology, and force sensors. Think of these as the robot's eyes and sense of touch. 3D vision helps it understand shapes and objects. LiDAR allows it to map and navigate its surroundings. Force sensors help it determine how much pressure it's applying while interacting with objects. This means the robot doesn't simply perform pre-programmed actions. TM Technology says its robot has now moved beyond passive execution toward adaptive, learning-based interaction. In short, the robot isn't just following instructions, it's learning to respond. So, what can this robot actually do? Whenever a company unveils a new humanoid robot, there's one question everyone wants answered. What can it actually do? And I think that's where the real money is. According to TM Technology, its humanoid features dexterous robotic hands and multiple degrees of freedom across its joints. That allows it to perform several industrial tasks. The company specifically mentions transportation, inspection, assembly operations, and precision work. One reason companies are investing heavily in humanoid robots is because labor shortages are becoming a serious problem. Countries including Taiwan, Japan, South Korea, parts of Europe, and even the United States are dealing with aging populations and shrinking workforces. Humanoid robots could eventually help solve some of those problems. TM Technology expects initial deployments to begin in factories and logistics facilities. That makes sense because industrial environments are generally more structured and predictable.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
But that's only the beginning. The company says future applications could eventually include healthcare, caregiving, and household services. So yes, the same technology moving parts around a factory today could one day help care for elderly people or assist around the home. We're not there yet, but that's clearly the direction the industry is moving. Another Taiwanese company is taking a completely different approach. Interestingly, TM Technology isn't the only Taiwanese company making moves in humanoid robotics. Techman Robot recently revealed its own next-generation humanoid platform called TM Xplore I during Nvidia GTC 2026 in San Jose. And this robot looks very different. Unlike traditional bipedal humanoids, TM Xplore I has a humanoid upper body mounted on a wheeled base. Now I know some people immediately see wheels and think, that's cheating. Personally, I disagree. Techman's philosophy is built around the phrase, see, think, act, powered by AI robotics. The robot combines autonomous navigation with dexterous manipulation. That means it can move materials, interact with workers, and perform precision tasks in industries like semiconductor manufacturing, electronics assembly, and automotive production. And here's where Nvidia enters the story. TM Xplore I runs on Nvidia's powerful Jetson Thor computing module. This gives the robot advanced edge AI capabilities, allowing it to make decisions in real time. It also incorporates vision language action technology, often called VLA. Essentially, the robot can process visual information and language simultaneously, then convert that information into physical actions. For instance, a person says, "Please move those components to workstation number 3." The robot can understand both your instructions and the surrounding environment before acting. That's a huge leap beyond traditional industrial automation. Techman also uses Nvidia's broader robotics ecosystem, including Isaac Sim for simulation and testing, Foundation Stereo for AI-based depth perception, and Isaac GR00T to improve dexterity and autonomy. At this point, Nvidia seems to appear in almost every major robotics announcement. Taiwan versus America versus China, the global robot race is heating up. What's fascinating right now is that different countries seem to be pursuing completely different strategies. The United States, led by companies like Figure AI, is heavily focused on workplace automation and general-purpose humanoids. Figure AI, for example, has attracted massive investments from companies including Microsoft, OpenAI, and Nvidia. The goal is simple: create robots capable of performing practical labor in environments designed for humans. China, meanwhile, is emphasizing scale and affordability. Companies like Unitree have gained worldwide attention by producing surprisingly capable humanoid robots at significantly lower prices than many competitors. The Unitree G1, for example, is commonly reported to cost somewhere in the low to mid five-figure range, making it far more accessible to researchers and developers. Taiwan appears to be pursuing yet another strategy. Its strengths lie in semiconductors, industrial automation, sensors, and smart manufacturing. Rather than chasing viral demonstrations, Taiwanese companies seem focused on solving industrial problems. That might be a very different but smart move. Companies don't buy robots because they look cool. They buy robots because they save time and money. TM Technologies' existing customer relationships in electronics manufacturing and industrial automation could give it an important advantage. Unlike startups building humanoids from scratch, TM Technology already understands factory environments. It already knows customer pain points, and it already has access to real-world testing environments. That could significantly speed up commercialization. So Taiwan has officially entered the humanoid robot race, and it isn't entering empty-handed. With world-class expertise in semiconductors, advanced manufacturing, and industrial automation, Taiwan may be better positioned in the robotics race than many people think. The big question now is, can Taiwan compete with companies like Figure AI and Unitree? Honestly, I think it has a real chance. But what do you think? Will Taiwan become a major humanoid robotics powerhouse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.